Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of mathematics: units, tens, and thousands.
These concepts form the backbone of understanding numbers, whether they're whole or involve decimals.
Let's start with units. Think of them as the basic building blocks of numbers, representing individual digits from 0 to 9.
That's right. A number like 5 is a unit because it stands on its own, representing a single entity.
Moving along, we encounter tens. Tens are comprised of groups of 10 units.
Indeed, take the number 30, for instance. It contains 3 tens because it's 3 groups of 10 units each.
Now, let's explore hundreds. Hundreds represent magnitudes larger than tens but smaller than thousands.
Right. Consider the number 500. It contains 5 hundreds, indicating 5 groups of 100 each.
And finally, we reach thousands. Thousands signify even larger magnitudes, comprising groups of 1,000.
Precisely. For instance, the number 5,000 contains 5 thousands, indicating 5 groups of 1,000 each.
When we extend these concepts to decimal numbers, each digit after the decimal point holds its place value, just like units, tens, hundreds, and thousands.
Absolutely. Mastering these concepts lays a robust foundation for comprehending numbers of all sizes, making math less intimidating and more approachable.
Equipped with this understanding, you can unlock the potential of numbers and excel in your mathematical journey.
Indeed. So thanks for joining us on this maths adventure. Watch more of our videos on SmartyTunes and you will embrace math with confidence and enthusiasm. Bye for now.